How to launch Google Local Services ads easily. Launching Google Local Services ads can significantly boost your business's online presence, attracting more local customers to your services. Let's break down the steps to get your ads up and running smoothly. First, ensure your business qualifies for local services ads. They're available for service based businesses like electricians, plumbers, and house cleaners. Visit the Google Local Services website to see if your industry and location are eligible. Next, create a Google My Business account if you haven't already. This account is crucial because it provides the information that potential customers will see, like your business name, location, and hours of operation. Now, sign up for the Local Services Ads program. You'll need to provide details about your business, such as your service areas, job types you perform, and your license and insurance information. This step is important as it builds trust with potential customers who will see a Google Guaranteed badge next to your ad once all requirements are met. After signing up, set your budget based on the number of leads you want to receive each week. With local services ads, you only pay for the leads you get, not clicks or impressions, making it a cost effective advertising solution. Review and manage your leads through the local services dashboard. This tool allows you to respond to customer inquiries promptly, track your lead status, and even ask for customer reviews, which can improve the visibility and credibility of your business. Finally, optimize your profile regularly and ensure all your information is accurate and up to date. Engaging photos, compelling service descriptions, and positive reviews can make your ads stand out and attract more customers. We hope this guide helps you set up Google Local Services ads with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.